Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm going to show you some pink room decor ideas, starting with this pastel baby pink bedroom with the twinkle lights in the canopy part is super cute. And the sign above the window says, "Always kiss me goodnight." And then this one has the twinkle lights on the wall with the room decor the art wall decor is what I should say. And it's super pretty, and it has little stars in the twinkle lights. This one is like a very pinky pink. It has a chandelier, and on the background there's a pink sheer curtain, and it's got like a furry pink bedspread. This is a super cute pink wall art you could get. It's the pink macaroon glitter wall art. And then this pink girly bedroom idea has the furry comforter on the bed, and then it has some pink furry pillows. And then I love the little pillow with the eyelashes. You can get something similar at Hobby Lobby. This pink girly room has like princess, like a castle theme. And it's probably like it'd be good for like a younger girl. It's super cute. This is like a clean white and pink girly bedroom. I love the little candle display here with the pink candles, and the flowers on the bed are super cute. This is a super cute mirror that looks like a princess crown. That would be good over the headboard of your bed. This is a super cute, like fairy tale looking bedroom decor idea. And then this one has some cute pink wall decor above the headboard, and again with the eyelashes on the pillow. They also have pictures of those eyelashes that are so cute. I love this one. It says, "We will always have Paris," and then it has like a little pink furry pillow and like a pillow that has perfume on it. Here's some more wall art that would be good in any girly themed pink room. Here are some more wall art pieces, again with the eyelashes. It's a theme that I've been seeing. Now if you have a beachy pink girly room, you could have a pink surfboard picture. You could have a pink lifeguard station. And then here is a picture of my own pink Christmas tree in my bedroom. And I have like a gold and white pink thing going on here. And then here's some more wall art for a beachy pink themed room with the cactus. I love that one. This one says "All Dolled Up," and it's got the little pink background there. Then this is a pink Chanel logo I found that would look super cute in a picture frame and make your room girly and luxurious. So I hope you liked getting some pink girly room decor ideas. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.